Hi everyone. What is dark web? Everyone in the world is familiar with this term. In this video we will explain to you about what is dark web, how it works, who manage it, threats and its legal status. As of 2022, 69% of the world's population, or 4.9 billion people, actively use the Internet. Trends indicate that the number of Internet users grows at an annual rate of 4%, meaning that roughly 196 million new people access the Internet each year. There are three layers of World Wide Web: surface web, deep web and dark web. What is surface web? Out of this 69% users in the world, 96% users use surface web, whereas 4% users connected through deep web and dark web. Let me explain it one by one. What is surface web? Each website on Internet is indexed by search engines like Google, and users use different web browsers like Opera and Chrome to search their desired data through search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing and many others. Next level is deep web. The deep web is invisible web, or hidden web, are parts of the World Wide Web whose contents are not indexed by standard web search engines. The content of the deep web is hidden behind login forms, and includes uses such as webmail, online banking, restricted access social media pages and profiles, some web forums and code language that require registration for viewing content, and paywalled services such as video on demand and some online magazines and newspapers. The content of the deep web can be located and accessed by a direct URL or IP address, but may require a password or other security access to get past public pages. Now come to dark web. The dark web is a hidden part of the World Wide Web that cannot be indexed on search engines, work anonymously, work through onion routing, can be accessed through direct web address, only can be accessed through Tor browser, the onion router. What is onion routing? A method for anonymous communications over a wide area network such as the Internet. Onion routing hides the names of the parties that are communicating as well as the data by encrypting the payload in layers, with a different layer for each hop in the route. Installing Tor browser does not mean that you will access data dark web. To access data on dark web you need the exact address of the website. Now that you have Tor browser, you can access the dark web. Darknet websites are called Tor hidden services, and they can be distinguished from normal websites by their URLs. Instead of .com or .org, dark web addresses can be distinguished by the top-level domain, onion. The beauty of the darknet is anonymity. No one knows who anyone else is in the real world, so long as they take the necessary precautions. Users' identities are safe from the prying eyes of governments and corporations. To access the vast majority of the dark web, you'll need Tor. Tor is a network of volunteer relays through which the user's internet connection is routed. The connection is encrypted and all the traffic bounces between relays located around the world, making the user anonymous. Who use dark web? Dark web is used for legal as well as illegal activities. As for illegal activities, the dark web may be used by people wishing to carry out illegal activities online, such as selling weapons or drugs, hacking, pornography, selling personal information. These kinds of operations, and the websites offering them, are often referred to as hidden services. For legal activities, military, government and law enforcement organizations are still among the main users of the hidden Internet to help monitor illegal activities and fight criminals.
What are the threats for common person?
As a common person, I advise you not to install Tor web browser as there are hackers and your device and data will be on stake. So keep yourself away from dark web.
If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to watch future videos.